Hi. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dub, and today we are going to do what's for dinner, but we're doing it early because it's going to take a few hours. So on yesterday, I made some smoked turkey, and I purchased it. They were already smoked, so what I did was season them, wrap them in the oven, and just let them just cook warm in the oven for like 4 hours. But they were so good yesterday, I said, okay, well, today I'm gonna make them again. So this is what we're doing. So today we have a smoked turkey drum leg, smoked turkey leg, and I already doused it with my Worcestershire sauce, and I have some garlic powder, onion powder, and szechuan's, baby. You ain't seasoning if what he say? You ain't seasoning if you ain't sneezing. Cause baby, every time I sprinkle it in, I sneeze. I don't know where I heard that from, but I heard it from somebody. But anyway, yeah. So I already seasoned one side of it, and I'm just gonna season the other side. So I'm gonna sprinkle my garlic powder. And then it's not a lot. I like garlic. I love garlic. I got minced garlic in the freezer. I got garlic. So yeah. And then this is my onion powder. All right. And my Tony Szechuan's. And I ain't gonna say I put this on everything, but I put it on everything. I also have Slap Your Mama too. But I think I like Tony's over the Slap Your Mama. So you season that like that. And I'm all over the place. And you're just gonna wrap it up. Alright, and then there's Blue in the background. She's eating her breakfast. Baby, try to do this with one hand. I need to get me a tripod. All right, so I got her wrapped up. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let it just sit in the foil, you know, kind of marinate in the juices. And because it's gonna take like 4 hours for it. And when I tell you, let me see if I can show y'all the one from yesterday. That's the one I bought 3 total, but I was like, I don't know if they all eat it, because sometimes my children be acting funny, you know what I'm saying? So this is the one from yesterday, and baby, you can almost see that thing. That is naked, almost gone. So I'm going to rewarm that when I have a wing in this one. So we're gonna set that back in the refrigerator because we don't want to cook those too much. We don't want to dry them out because those were already cooked yesterday. So they just need to be heated up. But for the most part, I'm gonna let her sit in there. And I guess I'll put her in the oven probably maybe about 9. Yeah. So So when school is out, when my son get home, you know, it'll still be dinner, be ready. But yeah, this is my smoked turkey leg, and seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, Tony Szechuan's, and Worcestershire sauce. Bake in the oven for 300 for about 4 hours. Yeah, when I tell you the meat is going to fall off the bone, the meat is going to fall off the bone. So, all right, you guys, I will come back once it's done, if I can remember. If not, I will insert a picture in this video, and yeah, I hope you guys like the video. You guys have a great day and be safe. Bye-bye. Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. And as promised, I am back with the final results of the smoked turkey leg that I put in the oven this morning. I put it in the oven this morning, probably about 9 o'clock. And I took it out about 1 o'clock. So now this is the final results. And just to show you guys that it is so tender. I mean, like, I'm really, like, it's really tender. Like, it really is. Let me taste a little piece of it, see if it tastes like the one did yesterday. It's so good. So yeah, if you guys like smoked turkey, go get you some smoked turkey, wrap it, season it with whatever season you want, but I put garlic powder, onion powder, szechuan, and Worcestershire sauce. And wrap that baby up, put it in the oven. And these are the ones that I had from yesterday. I just rewarmed those up. So yeah, let me see if I can pick it up. The Worcestershire kind of have it stuck because it's kind of like sticky. But for the most part, like, this baby is tender. Tender. And don't mind the noise in the background. This is my blue back there. And it is so good, so flavorful. And it's also a, you know, turkey is good for weight loss and stuff. So I don't eat pork. I don't eat pork. And I really eat turkey. But this was a big hit in the house yesterday. So I just may keep some smoked turkey drums and legs in there. And I have some mac and cheese. And I think I might do me like a turkey leg hood stuffed mac and cheese in my turkey leg. But for the most part, this is the final result. I just wanted to come back and show you guys what exactly it looked like. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Peace out.